Bangladesh. Welcome back from EatSleepYangon channel. Rose is here. Currently, I reach at the Bayintnaung Street, so I want to explore how about the street foods and then main food, near here. So let's follow with me, guys. Come on. Time to eat a pork stick, guys. And there are different types of pork stick here, and each one is 100 Myanmar, so it's around 50 cents, 40 cents around it. So if you want to eat with the salad, here is a noodle. But today I prefer to eat only the pork sticks, that's why. But in the pork stick, I only eat meat part and the liver part only. There's only 2 items. But I consider this shop is more suitable and convenient price other than, of course, each one is 100 yen. So normally in our townships near shops are 200 jets and 150 50 jets in Myanmar mostly. But here is more suitable. I love it. A liver part. Whenever I eat the pork sticks, I really enjoy the soup. And for this shop, how's the taste of the soup? Not bad. Yes, but the sauce and the meat taste is that I enjoy it. Now the shop is now crowded, as you can see, so I will move now. I feel so oily and savory, so I will drink some juice. So I see next to is a tea shop, so let's go there. Yeah, it's time for a sweet dessert. I'm already a tea lover. I love to drink a tea. Yeah, it's good. In Myanmar, there are 3 types of tea style, like a normal, too sweet, and not too sweet. Yes, I order with the normal taste, and the price is 500 Myanmar just, so it's around 25 and 30 cents. It's good. Yeah, I enjoy the taste of it. Yeah. So in this near Bayintnaung Street, there's a lot of street food shops and then restaurants, and the taste are also really good. So, and the price is convenient and suitable price. It's good for you guys. And at the evening time, early morning times, there is also a local market too. You can buy the fish, meat, veggies, in a local morning market. So it's really nice to stay here. I really love the taste. I drink a half of it. We shop the fruit shop. At the fruit shop, it's you can find a varieties of fruits like orange, sangits, watermelon, avocado, grapes, stuff like that. And I decided to find plum. The plum is if you pay 1,000 Myanmar just you can get 15 plums. Yes, 15 plums. Yeah, I'll buy now. I want to try now, so I actually angle to watch the one plant. So I want to try the taste. The color is still green, so the taste is not too sweet. You know, guys, the plum is very good for your health and then for your digestive system. We normally eat after eating a main meal. We eat like this, one or two. I'm ready. Thanks for watching today's videos, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for belonging with me today. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this one and also this one likewise. Bye bye all, and see you around. Thank you.